Based on personality types we talked about,
Yes, sir.
on the whole, we find those who we call cluster B personalities
Okay.
being prone to being abusers.
Okay.
People we call cluster C personality groups being easier victims of abuse. We say cluster B personality. They are the people that we tend to call sociopaths,
Okay.
antisocial personalities, narcissistic personalities, self-centeredness that our brother, the pastor, was talking about. If you find a man or a woman whose universe reverses around himself or herself,
Yeah.
who cannot see things from the other person's perspective, it's just a little you add to that you find an abuser. The template is already there by virtue of the kind of person he is. Cluster C person who is likely to be receptive to an abuse or to an abuser, usually by nature laid back, submissive, easy to be criticized, even when they know that their point of view is the right one, laid back. They need excessive validation from other people.
So
They want
to say
to
yes.
be dressed. My auntie wants to wear black and go out, and someone is saying, "Hey, pink is what is in vogue." Apologies to Princess.
Thank you, sir.
And you see, she goes back, she changes to pink. Whereas she wanted to wear black. So people, in literal language, people who don't have their own minds are generally easier victims of abuse.
Abuse, yeah.
Those are the ones that will fall in the category that will say, I can't go back to my father's house. I find in our culture, people who will say, if you touch me, my brothers will come after you. And they grow up in this same Yoruba culture. Me Ondo culture, a pro abuse, because Ondo culture is extremely egalitarian, is republican. Ondo people accept the superiority of other human beings. Maybe I'm veering away from Oyibo man's language.
Yeah, that's
Our
nice.
culture does not, Ondo culture. Ondo man will tell me, are you the one feeding me? If I'm married to you, were you the one that fed me before I left my father's house to come to you? So our kind of national personage in this area, when I say Ondo, okay, go, these axes in Dare, we don't deify human beings, we don't venerate human beings. So it's much more difficult to exert abuse in this kind of culture.
Thank you, sir.